Hey there, this is Jan with Orlando Flooring Gurus coming back to you with another one of our flooring renovation projects. Today we're in Chuluota and we are installing SPC vinyl flooring. Customer purchased this material at ProSource Wholesale and it was very nice material. There was only one thing that they didn't like, is the stair nosings, so we manufactured each and every one of the stair nosings for this install. Vinyl's going on the second floor and the stairs going down. So enough said with that, let me show you how it goes.